morning, my dear students. So, last class we have discussed about the ethical hacking. Today we will start the practicals on cyber security. So, we are going to use minimum 4 tools of cyber security. So, the first one is Python and CyberHack and various tools how to use for analysis of cyber security attacks and incidents or breaches or malware attacks. So these are the topics we are going to cover. Introduction to cyber security, Python programming, computer networks, cloud computing, information security, network security, cryptography, application security, security auditing, cyber forensics, mobile security, ethical hacking, and followed by the real-time applications. So then list of projects. Okay. So today I am going to explain the complete knowledge of Python programming, and this is the introduction of cyber security. Fundamentals of cyber security I have explained. So then cyber security, threat evolution, then history of cyber security, cyber security statistics, global cybercrime damage in the year 2023. These are the top 10 most common passwords used in worldwide 2023, and categories of cyber security and cyber security reference model. So please listen this reference model. So there are 5 important components are available in this cyber security reference model. Identify threats and protect the threats, respond the threats, recover the threats, and then detect the threats. So in this identify, risk assessment, asset management, supply chain risk management, business environment, governance, risk management strategy. In this protect, identify, management, authentication and access control, awareness and training, data security, maintenance, information production processes and procedures, and detection, security continuous monitoring, detection process, anomalies and events. Then respond, you need to respond, planning, analysis, mitigation, improvements, communications. Finally, recover, planning, improvements and communications. This is called a cyber security reference model. Then we have explained types of cyber security, basic concepts of cyber security, and major components of cyber security, CIA triad, and basic cyber security concepts, and what exactly do cyber security do, and branches of cyber security, 7 layers of cyber security I have explained. Then cyber security methods for cyber security, elements of cyber security, and cyber security through application security, and cyber security elements, 5 reasons why cyber criminals attack, reasons for cyber crimes and the mechanisms used, cyber security standards, cyber security principles, confidentiality tools, using a cyber security framework for web application security, and ABC of cyber security I have explained, jargon or terminology of cyber security, then components of cyber security, and workflow of cyber security, then fundamentals of information security,
morning session also no issues,
and
because
threats,
today
attack
we have
categories and hacking.
working hours.
Then
Tomorrow is
followed
the
by
weekend, no?
the latest cyber threats,
Yeah.
and what is meant by malware, and the types of malwares, and types of cyber attacks.
Okay,
Malware
so
send anonymous email, malware send anonymous email, cyber crime, stalk image, cyber security controls,
yeah, sir, I will be
introduction to
share the
network
location to the
security, aspects of network
Will you
security,
share the phone number of the
introduction to
photographer?
IDAM, identity and access management, identity and access management,
Can I call back to
introduction
this
to
number?
cyber forensics, then cyber forensics, introduction to application security, application security, data center and cloud security, Google data center security.
Yeah, thank you.
Google data center 6 layers of security, tools in cyber security.
Okay, I will download now.
Techniques in cyber security, techniques in cyber security. Technologies used in cyber security, research challenges of cyber security. 3 cyber security challenges.
Okay, sir.
Every enterprise needs to address cyber security challenges. Cyber security, IBM, infectious virtual machine. Cyber security, ITM, integrated threat management. And cyber security, identity and access management. There are how identity and access management tools, security, cyber security GRC, service number, governance, risk management, compliance. Cyber security GRC, governance, risk management, compliance. Cyber security governance, risk management, compliance. Cyber security GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Cyber security DPP, data privacy and protection. And 14 plus Python libraries, packages, Python packages. The future scope of cyber security. So with this one now, I am closing the first subject. So what is cyber security? What is a firewall? What is a virus? What is malware? What is phishing? What is encryption? What is the importance of password security? The difference between confidentiality, integrity and availability, the context of information security. What is a security breach? A security breach is an incident where sensitive information is accessed, used or disclosed with authorization. What is a threat actor? What is the difference between virus and a worm? What is social engineering? What is a man in the middle attack? Then what is the difference between DOS versus DDoS? List out cyber security techniques. List out cyber security tools. So this is the first concept. Now first programming tool and practicals today. I supposed to complete Python programming. Please listen carefully. What are the topics I am going to explain? There are 4 modules in this Python programming: built-in language features, standard libraries, how to write code in Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, IDLE and Scripting Way. To clear in the console, import os.system of CLS. So standard libraries we are using Numpy, SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Natural Language Toolkit, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch. Built-in language features like variables, data types, basic mathematical operations, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes and objects, collections like arrays, sets, tuples, lists, dictionaries, loops, operations, exceptions. So who developed Python programming is Guido van Rossum, Netherlands, 1980. It is a successor of ABC programming language. Python can be executed in two ways. One is a scripting way and another way is a IDLE, integration development learning environment. Python data types are integer, character, float, double, etc. Python collections are arrays, lists, sets, tuples and dictionaries. Python supports mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division. Why Python is so popular? Because of easy to learn, easy syntax, easy to maintain, bulk library. It supports many technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, data science, and bulk library like Pandas, Numpy, Matplotlib, CBOM, SciKit-learn, database commercial support. Python provides interfaces to all major comp databases, commercial databases. So Python is interpreted because it translates source code into mission code, interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. That is called IDLE. High level language is a type of programming language that is designed to be easier for a human to read. Then object oriented, it supports object oriented programming system. Then Python is an object oriented, high level interpreted, general purpose procedural programming language that is easy to learn, hence vastly used by software engineers. So Python supports for and while statements, supports general mathematical operations, supports various functions like string length, string copy, string comparison, string reverse. And Python contains functions which is organized the useful block of code and they begin with the def. So features of Python programming: easy to learn and readable language, interpreted language, dynamically typed language, open source and free, large standard library, large community support, platform independent, graphical user interface. So these are the top 10 features of Python. Coding is easy, quick learning curve, open source libraries, support for community, machine learning, data science, automation is easy, multi-purpose, tremendous growth in industry. Python has single line comments is hash, multi-line comments is triple quotes followed by the triple quotes. Python supports switch statements, for, while, etc. Python is a case-sensitive programming language. Python is popular language because it is having a rich number of libraries, packages, or API, application programming interface. Python latest software version is 3.11.1. Python keywords cannot be used as identifiers or variable name. Python must start with a letter or an underscore. Python must contain only letters, digits or underscores. Data types are two types, mutable and immutable. Mutable means changeable. Examples are list, set, dictionary, binary. immutable, non-changeable. Examples are integer, float, byte, string, tuples, frozen set. These are the Python keywords. There are various types of Python keywords: value keywords, operator keywords, control flow keywords, iteration keywords, structure keywords, returning keywords, import keywords. Like import keywords are import from as, returning keyword return keyword, structure keyword def class with as pass lambda, iteration keywords for while break continue else, control flow keywords if else operator keywords and or not in is, value keywords true false none. Then arithmetic basic operations in Python, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators, operator precedence. So if we get any expression, first we are using lower precedence, higher precedence, multiplication having higher precedence. So 20 multiplied by 30, 10 plus 60 becomes 70. So operator precedence is nothing but okay. So you can use that example below. Operator precedence. So the order of execution of mathematical operations in Python is similar to the order used in conventional mathematics. In maths, there are three general operator precedence priority levels: exponents and roots, multiplication, division and modulus, addition and subtraction. The short form of operator precedence is BODMAS, brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Operator precedence. So it starts with the star star indicates power, then followed by the negation symbol plus minus, then followed by the star slash modulo division, and followed by the plus minus, then is not, and the last one is not. You see example I have explained already. Variable. Variable is in very fundamental concept in programming. Variable are containers for storing data values. Temporarily store data in computer's memory. If suppose variable u is equal to 10, create variable name. Name is equal to some cyber section, multiple assignment like a equal to b equal to c equal to 1, you can declare a comma b comma c comma d equal to 1 2 3 4 5, that is called multiple assignments. Casting x is equal to str of 10 and y is equal to float of 10. Get the data time, x is equal to 10. Print of type of x, then standard data type. Then data types are many data types like numeric, you can declare integer a is equal to 10, float a is equal to 10.5, complex a is equal to 1 plus 2. Sequence is a data type, string name is equal to flip, list is a suppose profile is equal to Philip, physics, cyber section. Tuple is equal to profile equal to Philip, 26, cyber section. Set is a data type. My set is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Dictionary is a collection. Dictionary equal to name colon Philip, comma is colon 26, comma qualification.
గ్రూప్లో
Then
మెసేజ్
only
చేశారా
true or
సెషన్
false. T must be capital letter,
attendance
F
will be
must be
noted in
capital
Delhi now.
letter whenever you are using the program. Conditional
Hello.
statements like if only, if else, then if well, if else,
Yeah,
nested.
please leave the meeting.
Then Python strings. A string is a sequence of characters. A character is simply a symbol. For example, the English language has 26 characters. Words and sentences are a collection of characters, and so are Python strings. The most common functions used from the library are strlen, string length, string copy, string comparison, string reverse, and followed by the string operations, string programs, etc. Python string methods and functions. The 9 most commonly used functions in strings. They are strip, lower and upper, split, replace, find, join, maximum and minimum. These are the string methods and functions in Python programming. Then Python arrays. An array is a that can hold a fixed number of items, and these items should be of the same type. Most of the data structures may make use of arrays to implement their algorithms. The related terminology of arrays is element index. Each item stored in an array is called an element. Index. Each location of an element in an array has a numeric index, which is used to identify the element. Array operations are traverse, insertion, deletion, search and update. Then what are the concepts of Python? Strings are the collection of characters, and declared within double quotation is called strings. Lists is to store or organize data in sequential order. This data can be string, numbers, iterables like list. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable with curly brackets or flower braces. Tuple is another data collection type in Python. It is also used to store and organize data in the form of list. A dictionary is a Python collection that stores data as key value keys. Python functions. The function is a block of organized reusable code that is used to perform single related action. Python gives you many built-in functions like print, absolute, etc. But you can also create your own functions. These functions are called user-defined functions. Rules to define a function in Python. Function blocks begin with the keyword def followed by the function name and parentheses. Syntax is def function colon print hello from functions. Then Python, following the different types of Python functions: Python built-in functions, Python recursion function, Python lambda function, Python user-defined function. Okay. Then tools in Python programming: PyCharm and the Python Anywhere, IDLB, Sublime Text, Atom, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Pin Package, Scikit-learn. Technologies used in Python programming: AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security, big data, IoT, web development, GUI development, scientific and engineering, software development, administration. So these are the technologies. Basic syntax. We know indentation, comments, multi-line statements, quotation. So Python data types like boolean, integer, float, string. So Python data types like the string, integer, float, complex, list, tuple, range, dictionary, set, closure, set, tool, guides, etc. Then Python sheet. then followed by the programs. We have done already basic programs. So if you want, again I will explain Python collections, arrays, access, list, okay, sets, and these are the tuples, dictionaries, followed by the programs. Now I am going to show you. Unmute them, sir. Sir, unmute them. Students is coming, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please unmute them, sir. Yes, sir. Unmute them, sir. They are talking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Python loops are two types, while loop, for loop. While with while loop, you can execute a set of statements as long as condition is true. So I am declaring I value is 1, while I less than 6, Python I it will print up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for loop is also a loop statement, iterating over a sequence. For is an iterator method as found in other object-oriented programming languages. In the for loop, you can execute set of statements once for each item in a list, tuple, etc. So fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. For x in fruits. For x in fruits, colon print x. Simple. First statement how to use. For x in fruits, colon print x. It will print apple, banana, cherry. So these are the loop statements. Then define strings in Python. So I'll demonstrate the practicals so that you come to know how to use. Then program to add two matrices using nested loop, matrix multiplication. Program multiply two matrices using nested loop. Write a Python program to perform functions demo. Then factorial of a program for I in range 1, n plus 1, fact is equal fact into I, factorial is equal to I equal to. Okay, so here every time you are getting I, so within the factorial equal to. Then now write a Python program to print the prime number generations for n in range I 1, 100 and count equal to 0 for I in range count plus 1 if n modulo division is exactly equal to colon, count is equal to count plus 1. If the count exactly equal to colon, print n. So write a Python program to find the GCD of
Yes,
two
well.
numbers.
No?
So
Yes, I am from Rightworks. Is there any
write a
update
Python
when
program
given?
to find factorial of a given number using recursion. Return n factorial to factorial of n minus 1. Then now write a Python program to add two matrices. Result ij is equal to x of ij plus y of ij. For I in result print on. Like multiplication to find the oldest person in the ages. To perform student details using class concept. To check the given string is palindrome or not. Okay, so you can use then followed by the Python classes. Class is a collection of objects. Objects is physical entity or real-time entity. A class is user-defined blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. Class provides a means of handling data and functionality. Syntax is class name followed by the statements. Obj is equal to class name and print obj.attribute. Classes are created by keywords. Attributes are the variables that belongs to a class. Attributes are always public and can be accessed using the dot operator. myClass.myAttribute. This is the class definition. Class person : this is a person class. A is equal to def read self : print hello will print. This is a person class. Then write a create a car class with operations and print methods information. Write a Python program for the class concept. Write a Python program to find oldest person inside the edges of dictionary. Python exceptions. So when an error occurs or exception as well as call it as, Python will normally stop and generate an error message. These exceptions can be handled by using try statement. The try block will generate an exception block, because X is not defined. So try print X except print an exception occur. Then Python file operations. A file is a container in computer storage device used for storing data. When we want to read from or write to file, we need to open it first. When we are done, it needs to be closed so that resources that are tied with the file are freed. Hence in Python, a file operation takes place in the following folder. Like open a file, read our content, close the file. So this is the example. File equal to open the C drive blueprest.txt or the read mode. Read underscore content equal to file.read. Then print read underscore content. Okay. So read underscore content equal to file.read. That is the only sentence you can remember. Then what about read file? Say file1 equal to some read underscore content file1 dot read print read content. Some anonymous function. A lambda function is a small anonymous function. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. Okay. Then followed by the syntax lambda space arguments colon expression. Write a Python program to add 10 to arguments a and return the difference. X is equal to lambda a colon a plus 2. That means instead of x it will print 10 value. A value be 5 plus 10 50. Then write a Python program for lambda function. Write a Python program for lambda function. Then followed by the Python libraries. So machine learning can use various libraries like Numpy, TensorFlow, Pandas, PyTorch, Keras, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, SciPy, For web development, we are using Django, Flask, Bottle, CherryPy, Pyramid, Web2Py, Turbo, Keras, Cubic Web, Dash, Falcon. Automation testing tools like PyUnit, Behave, Splinter, Robot, PyTest, Image Processing Tool, OpenCV, Mahotas, Easy Magic, Simple TK, Scikit-image, Game Development, Panda 3 dimension, Pygame, PyOpenGL, PyGlen, Arcade, Web Scraping, LXML, request, Selenium, Scrapey, beautiful so. So Numpy, why we are using mathematical arrays? We can perform multi-dimensional arrays concept, masked arrays and matrices, fast operations on arrays, mathematical, logical, and shape manipulation, sorting, selection of input-output, discrete Fourier transformations we are using NumPy, basic linear algebra, basic statistical operations, random simulation and much more. Whenever you are performing any mathematical operations, we are using like puppet space install NumPy. It is a Python library that provides. Pip means preferred installed program, or you can call it as package pip install Python. Pip install Python. Then followed by the examples. Then SciPy. SciPy in Python is an open source library used for solving mathematical, scientific, engineering, and technical problems. It allows users to manipulate the data and visualize the data using a wide range of high-level Python commands. SciPy is built on Python NumPy extension, followed by the examples. Pandas is a software library written for the Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. Pandas offers data structures and operations for manipulating numerical tables and time series. Pandas is a must-learn library for data I/O, cleansing, transforming, and aggregation. Then followed by the example Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn, SCIKIT-learn, formerly Scikit-learn and also known as sklearn, is a free software machine learning library for Python programming language. The features of Scikit-learn: classification, regression, clustering, support vector machine, random forest, gradient boosting, k-means, PB-scan. Then followed by the examples, Piano. Piano is a Python library that allows us to evaluate mathematical operations, including multi-dimensional arrays, so efficiently. It is mostly used in building deep learning applications. It works way more faster than graphics processing unit, GPU, rather than CPU. It is mainly designed to handle the types of computation required for large neural network algorithms used in deep learning. Then followed by the examples, TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a free and open source library for machine learning and artificial intelligence. It can be used across a range of tasks, but has particular focus on training and inference of deep neural networks. TensorFlow provides collection of workflows to develop and train models using Python or JavaScript. Followed by the statements, Keras. Keras is an API designed for human beings, not machines. Keras follows best practices for reducing cognitive load. It offers consistent and simple APIs. It minimizes the number of user actions required for common use cases, and it provides clear, actionable error messages. And layers are the basic building blocks of neural networks. Keras. A layer consists of a tensor in, tensor out computation function, and some state held in TensorFlow variables. Followed by the examples, PyTorch. PyTorch is an open source machine learning library based on the Torch library, primarily developed by Facebook's AI research lab. It is used for applications such as computer vision, natural language processing. Followed by the examples, Zbon. Zbon is a Python data visualization library based on Matplotlib. It is also a Python library used for plotting graphs. with the help of Matplotlib, Pandas, Numpy. It is built on the roof of Matplotlib and is considered as a superset of the Matplotlib. It helps in visualizing univariate and bivariate. If the purpose of data visualization is to visualize distribution, trends, and relationships of variables, followed by the examples. Then Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. Matplotlib is a cross-platform data visualization and graphical plotting library for Python and its numerical extension Numpy. Developers can also use Matplotlib's APIs, application programming interfaces, to enable plots in GUI application, followed by the examples. So 5 reasons Python is used in cyber security. Cyber security professionals can get up to speed quickly. Cyber security teams can form quickly. Python's extensive library means cyber security tools are already available. Python can be used for nearly anything in cyber security. Scripts in Python can be developed quickly. So these are the benefits of Python programming. It simplifies debugging. It's open source programming language. It is a powerful language. It's useful in automation. It enhances productivity. It reduces development time. It uses real-time programming products. So Python as a language has the following applications in cyber security: geolocation extraction, network scanning, better script development, application monitoring, completely cyber security package. So why Python? What is Python is used for? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is used for a wide range of purposes, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. What are some of the benefits of using Python? Python has a number of benefits, including its ease of use, large and supportive community, vast libraries and frameworks, and versatility. What is a Python module? Module is a collection of Python code that can be reduced in other programs. What is the difference between a tuple and a list in Python? Tuple is an immutable data structure, while a list is a mutable data structure. This means that once a tuple is created, its values cannot be changed, while values in a list can be changed, added. Tuples use parentheses, while lists use square. What is a dictionary in Python? Dictionary in Python is another unordered collection of key values where each key is unique. What is function in Python and how is it defined? A function in Python is a block of code that performs specific tasks and can be called from other parts of the program. What is an exception in Python? An exception in Python is an error that occurs during the execution of So with this one, Python programming is completed. Now I am going to practice.
సో ప్రెసెంట్ మా రిఫరెన్స్ కోసం ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు చేయండి. ఆ తర్వాత ఏ కంపెనీ వస్తే ఆ కంపెనీ డీటెయిల్స్ డైరెక్ట్ లింక్ షేర్ చేస్తే మీరు
Now, if you are a fresher of Python programming, you need to go to
5 candidates మీరు పిక్ చేసి చేయండి. త్వరగా రెస్పాండ్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళని తీసుకోండి. 3 లోపు అయిపోవాలి కదా. దట్టు వీడియోస్ కూడా చిన్న చిన్న షార్ట్ కొంచెం యాక్టివ్గా ఉన్న వాళ్ళైతే త్వరగా చేస్తారు కదా.
My screen is visible. Please respond.
ప్రస్తుతానికి 5 ఎవరు యాక్టివ్ ఉంటారో వాళ్ళు చేసుకుని కాల్ చేసి
Please respond. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. Python software. If you are a beginner, no problem. So go to welcome to Python, see the downloads. So here how to generate Python code. See here Fibonacci sequence also there. Okay, so downloads Python. So I'm downloading latest software. See here it is downloaded Python 3.11.2. So I'm clicking, double click that one. It is asking you have already installed Python. Do you want to modify? Yes. Is there any special features are there? You can check. This is the optional features. Next, select pre-compiled standard library. Download debugging symbols, advanced options. Download debugger binaries, requires 2017 or later. Install. It takes 1 minute for updating. Already I have installed 3.11.1. Now the latest features 3.11.2 is going to execute. Okay. So now see in Python programming I am going to show you major concepts why we are using major concepts in Python, like Python collections, arrays, sets, lists, dictionaries, tuples, how do we are using. So every time I am updating my Python, you can also start updating your Python, no problem. So you select add path so that it will give automatically where you are doing Python. The command run. Python can be executed two ways. One is ideally see modify was successful. Now I will check whether it is installed successful or not. Command run, type command run. Yes. Now clear the screen. Okay. My screen is visible. Python, check the version 3.11.2. So I want to clear the console. Import OS part, system of CLS. So this is the way we are erasing the console. Now see, just I am declaring the variable. So a is equal to 3. So how can I check a got a 3 value or not? By typing a. So it will print a value is 3. Now I want to check what type of a variable, type of a. Means it will display the type of the variable. It is an integer. Then ID of identification, where it is storing, address of the variable a. What is the address it is storing? ID of a is storing some location in the memory structure. Then you can declare multiple declaration of the variable. A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to, D is equal to, E is equal to some 5. Now check the values of A. But this is called a multiple declaration. A value is 5, B value is 5, C value is 5, D value is 5, E value is 5. Now check the type of, see this A variable type, it will display integer. Type of variable B also integer. Then ID of identification of variable, see previous one and see previous address is a different identification. Now the current address of the variable A is different. So so variable is completed. Then we will go to, okay, so we will declare so import OS. I want to clear the screen. Now you can perform any operations. It is a single line comment. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations in a single program, simple program, arithmetic operations using dynamic input. So very simple. A is equal to int of input of parenthesis begin enter value of A. Then I am entering the file, then I am entering the value of B. So B variable, I am declaring the B variable. So sum sets, same thing. So C is equal to A plus B and B is equal to A minus B and E is equal to A star B. F is equal to A division by B. G is equal to hello division. Now see, you can check C value is and D value is, E value is, F value is and D value is. See? So this is a simple program, write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations using dynamic. Okay. Now suppose x is equal to, I am using cyber and y is equal to Shiksha, then z is equal to x plus y concatenation. See here, now z is equal to cyber section. Any doubt? So this is a write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations. So all the programs you can execute and you can perform any operation. Same thing we can execute in IDL and scripting. Same program I can execute in scripting. Okay. So many programs you can write using Python programming. Okay. Any doubts, my dear friends? Python programming. This is the way you are executing the programs in Python programming. Okay. Fundamental programs or any programs you can see. Okay. So that is about Python programming. Any doubt? So with this one, Python fundamental programs we can conclude. Okay. So if you see how to clear the console, see here. So import OS, so clear the screen. So if you want to quit, you can go to same programs, this function. So here you can perform various operations. If you see pip install like this, you can Numpy. Okay. So pip install Numpy, it is installed. Then pip install so Pandas. So this is library. And next Pandas is over. Then go to Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a library. So already installed. Then Keras or Scikit-learn and followed by the Scikit-learn, SciPy-learn. This is a library. Scikit-learn is completed. Then Keras many libraries I am installing. So Keras is installed, then TensorFlow, so it is downloaded already. Yes. And one more function you can see, TensorFlow. If install RSA, you have done program like RSA. I have installed RSA program or cyber Shiksha, any program. If you are not getting, go to ChatGPT and you will get the code and you can execute. If you are doubting any programming language, you can do it. And see one file program I am going to show you how to create a file. Okay. So suppose I am creating notepad space some file.txt, one text file I am creating, notepad file.txt. Sorry, my spelling is wrong, notepad. So this is the notepad, just a text file I am creating, notepad I am creating. See here. So this is a single line movement. Write a Python program, Python file with content. Simple program. Okay? Content. So what I am doing, file equal to parenthesis begin, double quotes begin, where I am creating this file. This path I am selecting. Now I am going to file selection. So where is my Python? See here, path you need to select. C:\users. So same file you can copy. Okay. See, just I am copy and paste in the. So here, just paste. So double slash. First is a Unicode problem. Then you can close this. Then file.txt. Okay. So we are closing here. We are opening the read mode. Then we are closing. Then you can call it as a content read. Content underscore read equal to file.read. File.read is a function. Then what you are going to do, file.read. Then print.
Calling in the data issues now.
Print.
Calling here,
Content underscore read.
Presence content.
We are reading the content. So program is complete. So file.read. Okay. The file name what you have declared. That is the you need to remember file.read. That is the last concept I have explained. Okay. File content program. You need to remember that Python file operations. The file operations, see, read content. Same thing I have done here also. So file is equal to open of that path you have to give. Then read underscore content file.read. Then print read underscore content. Same thing we are performing here. So this program I am going to execute now. I am writing in the text file. I am creating text file. If it is a file, we are writing file information. Okay. So 1 second. This one we are writing like Cyber Siksha. Cyber Siksha is a training institute. Training institute. Okay. Now I'm saving the file and closing. I'm creating the now create a Python file. Okay. You can create. So file name you can give any file name you can give. Notepad space file1 dot py. One file I'm creating file1 dot py. So write a Python file with content. Now what I'm doing, just I have created a file. So I'm going to display Python space file1.py. Cyber Siksha is a training institute at Bangalore. Cyber Siksha is a training institute at Bangalore. That text file I have created, and I am displaying the content of the file. Any doubts so far? Like this, you can create a number of Python collections, arrays, functions, and strings, Python exceptions, class concepts, etc. So with this one, I am closing this Python programming. Now I am going to execute your project file. I have explained already how to prepare a PowerPoint presentation and the documentation. Anybody executed your project? If you want to show, you can show. So suppose support vector mission, how to execute, see here. So Python space I have already executed svm.py. So I am executing Python. I have given two files. Python space svm.py support vector mission for hardware. Suppose I am taking one data set malicious
నాకు చేస్తారని అయింది మ్యామ్, లైవ్ అయిపోయింది. ప్లస్ ఇంకా ఫోటోషూట్ ఇవి అయ్యాక ఇంకా రీచ్ అవుట్ అవుతుంది మనకు మెయిల్లో అదే ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసాను. కనుక్కుంటాను. మళ్ళీ నన్ను ఫోన్లో కూడా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయమన్నాను నా యాప్ రీచ్ అవుట్ అవ్వడానికి. చేశాను ఆల్రెడీ. సరే, ఓకే. Yes, ma'am. We need to check and the consult person or client. I will check with that Akash. Same as this time. శామీ కూడా కాల్ చేశాను మ్యామ్. శామీ ఉన్నాడు కదా, అతనికి కాల్ చేస్తే ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ ఆల్రెడీ నా మేనేజ్మెంట్కి పంపించాను. క్లయింట్స్ ఉంటే మేము కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతాం, లేదంటే నేనే మీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను. సరే రాజ్ కుమార్ మ్యామ్, నిన్న ఈవినింగ్ కాల్ చేశాను అతనికి. ఇట్లా డీటెయిల్స్ చూసుకోలేదు నేను, ఇంకా మీరు వాట్సాప్ చేశాను, నేను చూసుకొని కాల్ చేస్తాను. ఆయన ఇంతవరకు డీటెయిల్స్ చూడలేదు. మళ్ళీ మార్నింగ్ చేశాను కానీ కాల్ ఆన్సర్ లేదు. Yes, sir is facing a power issue. Sir will join in 1 minute. Okay. Sir will join in 1 minute. Please don't leave the session. Okay.
ఓపెన్ చేసి చూసాను, ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. ఫోన్లో ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఇది తను కూడా అలాగే అంది ఒక అమ్మాయి. నేను ఓపెన్ చేసి చూస్తే అవుతుంది, ఇద్దరు కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు.
ఎలా చేయాలి?
జస్ట్ లింక్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఓపెన్ అయింది కదా, బట్ జస్ట్ అప్లై చేయట్లేదు. లింక్ అయితే ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. ఇద్దరు కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు.
ఎలా ల్యాప్టాప్ నుండి అవ్వమని చెప్పాలా?
రీఫ్రెష్ చేసి ల్యాప్టాప్ నుంచి అవ్వమని చెప్పండి. లింక్ అయితే ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది.
నేను చేశాను అయినా అవ్వట్లేదు. నేను చేశాను అయినా అవ్వట్లేదు అంటుంది. స్టిల్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్ మైండ్. నాకు అదే బాధ అనుకుంటున్నాను. మీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అవ్వలేదు.
ఏమంటారు?
స్టిల్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్ అంటే ఐ డిడ్ ఇట్ నా బట్ స్టిల్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్.
ల్యాప్టాప్లో కూడా రిమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళు ఏమో
రిమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళు ఇంకా రిప్లై ఇవ్వలేదు. ఓకే మేము రిజిస్టర్ అవుతాం అని చెప్పారు 4 మెంబర్స్. తను ఇలా అంటుంది వాళ్ళు ఇంకా అప్డేట్
కదా చెప్పండి. ట్రై చేస్తుంది, ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు అంటుంది. ఖచ్చితంగా నా మెసేజ్ చూస్తారు ఒక సైట్లో. ఇద్దరు కంప్లీట్ అయిందంటారు అనే దాని నుంచి సో వరకు వెళ్ళి చూడమని అంటుంది. చెయ్యి బట్
నేను అప్డేట్
ఏమో లింక్ ఇష్యూ ఉండొచ్చేమో. ఎట్ ఏ టైం అవ్వట్లేదేమో. ఇప్పుడు ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు కదా అందరూ. అది
So my dear friends, sorry for inconvenience. I got power problem in my apartment. Now my screen is visible. Please respond. See, I am going to execute. Please respond. Anyone? My screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah, Python space svm.py support vector machine. Then see, this is the output. I have taken malware data set. Is a malware data set I have taken. How many malicious identified in this one? All ones 117. Total items are 303, and total malicious affected 179, and no malicious affected 124. So I got 71.94 accuracy. Okay. In the same way, we are executing CNN also. I am sending CNN. See here. So I am executing. So in this one, see the how many files are the CNN file. So Python space CNN.py. So now it is going to execute CNN file, classification file. So these both files I am going to show you. Now see the results. It is coming. The results is coming now. It is running and executing. So this is the way we are executing CNN classification. I think Pravalika also executed for this program. Now I am going to share with you what type of data set I have taken, what type of input I have taken, that I am going to display with you. Okay. Now it is running. You see, the program is running. So now, how many of you executed your project so far? Anyone try?
Yes, Manvita.
Anyone try? Please respond me.
Just try again, just refresh it because nothing joins again. If it will appear again, just continue.
So now it is executing last step.
Still it depends on all the project,
It
right?
is going to classify the data set I have taken. CNN is running. So convolutional neural network is one of the deep learning technique,
Okay, I will
and it
show.
is very popular for classification. And there are procedures. There is a procedure for executing CNN, and it selects the convolution function, then flatten function, dense function, dropout, and various functions we are using in the CNN model. Convolutional neural network.
మేడం అదే నేను స్టారీ గురించి మాట్లాడడానికి చేశాను.
Now finally I have executed. See, accuracy I got 100% accuracy, for loss is 0.15.
అదే
I am training all the features, so that's why I am getting 100% accuracy. Okay, so if you want to see notepad space cnn.py. So now,
Yes, Manvita.
how many students are there? 32 students are there. So who is going to explain their projects? So I would like to listen from you. who is going to execute your project. From a main project title, PPT and a PowerPoint presentation. Who is ready to explain? Which batch is ready to explain? Please respond. What you have done? I have given homework. Only Pravalika explained and Nayan Palkar explained. Nayan Palkar, can you last class you have stopped at so PowerPoint presentation. Now will you continue? Last 4 to 5 slides are there. Then we will ask another candidate. Nayan Palkar.
Yes.
Yeah, please continue. You have to do practice more because you are keeping your main projects in the resume. So you need to do new presentation. Then only they will listen whatever you are. You need to present your main project. Yeah, please share your screen.
That we have to add that we have attended the webinar, right?
Yeah, you have attended webinar. Yeah, Meena. Tell me, have you done your project, main project?
Yes, sir. I will share the screen now.
In case full amount వస్తుందా లేకపోతే taxes deduct అవుతాయా I don't have
Have you
clarity
paid for
on the taxes.
execution,
That's
Meena?
why I'm asking అడుగుతా.
No, sir. Exhibition part only is pending.
Okay, no problem. PPT is completed.
Yes, sir. I will share this, sir.
Yeah. Manvita, have you tried your project execution?
Actually, Veena and Tamia are from the same group, sir. I'm sharing the PPT on screen. Like, if Veena, you will share or should I?
I will share it.
Okay then. So she will share.
Yeah, anybody can share. One or two. After that, we'll see. What about 11 batches? Only 2 batches ready remaining, or why you are not doing your main project? It's very important. You are keeping that project title in your resume. Biodata is very important.
We will get the certificate from the data science webinar, sir.
I have informed them. Gopichand sir is the coordinator, and who attended, he has taken from the participant list. We'll see. So please open your project title, PPT, finalize the PPT. Yeah, make it F5, full screen. Make it full screen, Amma, Manvita. Yeah, correct.
Sure.
Perfect. Start, introduce yourself and explain the main project title, abstract introduction followed by the contents. Please start yourself.
Yes, sir. Hi everyone. This is Manvita, and my teammates are Veena, Lahari, Lavanya, Mansi. And our project title is implementation of packet snipping using data analytics and packet snipping data analytics using ML and DL techniques. We've done. So this is the context that we are having. Can you be able to see the screen, sir?
Yes, it is perfect. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
perfect.
The context that we are having, abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing system, drawbacks, proposed system, advantages, implementation, results, conclusion and references. This is the context that we are going to see in this particular PPT of packet snipping techniques using machine learning and deep learning techniques. It's an abstract that we have an overview of what the project is going to be. Packet snipping is a method to monitor and analyze network traffic for security and performance optimization purposes. With the growing amount of data generated by modern networks, traditional packet sniffing techniques are becoming increasingly inadequate. To address this challenge, the implementation of learning and deep learning algorithms has gained attention as a means of improving packet sniffing data analytics. In this particular implementation, machine learning and deep learning techniques are used to analyze and categorize network traffic in real time also. The algorithms are trained in historical network traffic data to identify patterns and anomalies in traffic. This enables the system to make predictions about the type of network, like traffic, and its potential impact on network security and performance. The output of machine learning and data learning models can be used to improve network security by detecting and preventing malicious traffic, as well as to optimize network performance by identifying and resolving congestion issues. This is also abstract for this. For example, if we take deep learning models and can be used to identify and classify network traffic into different categories, such as email, file transfers, web browsing traffic. This can also provide valuable insights into network usage and help optimize network resources accordingly. In conclusion, we will conclude that the implementation of machine learning and deep learning in packaging provides a new effective approach of network analysis and optimization. By leveraging the performance of these algorithms, network administrators can improve network security, performance, and efficiency in a more automated and sophisticated manner. These are the keywords that we are using in this particular PPT. They are packet sniffing, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, network traffic data collection, feature extraction, model training, predictive analysis, threat detection, anomaly detection, data visualization, performance evaluation, scalability, real-time monitoring, and cybersecurity. These are the keywords. This is the introduction. This is the introduction of packet sniffing data analytics using ML and DL. So packet sniffing is a process of capturing and analyzing data packets that are transmitted over a network. This technique is commonly used for network troubleshooting, security, and performance optimization. With the advent of technology, data analytics, machine learning, and DL has become a popular tool in packet sniffing. ML algorithms can be used to identify different patterns and relationships in data, while DL can be used to detect anomalies. This integration of packet sniffing and data analytics enables organizations to process large amounts of data into their network operations, which can help them to make informed decisions. Unusual malicious activity or such as PDOS attacks. Packet sniffing data can be used to monitor performance and optimize resource allocation, as well as to detect security threats such as unauthorized access and data abuse. To conclude, packet sniffing data analytics using ML and DL is a powerful tool that can help organizations gain their network operations to make better informed decisions. Technology can also enhance network security and making it an effective tool for organizations of all sizes. Like whatever the size of an organization can be, hands are security. This is the promise statement for packet sniffing data analytics using ML and DM. Packet sniffing is a technique that, as we know, packet sniffing is a technique that transfers data packets from the network. This data can gain valuable insights into network behavior, security threats, and traffic patterns. However,
Do you remember me? I'm from
data
right verse.
packet sniffing can be overwhelming, making it difficult to analyze and interpret. The goal of data solution the solution will automatically identify patterns, classify data security, and then we are getting security. The main challenges that we have in our project: handling the large volume of data collected through packet sniffing, selecting appropriate ML and DL techniques for classification and threat detection, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of data analytics solutions, and the solution will be deployed using popular ML frameworks such as TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. The end result will be a data analytics tool that can be used into network security and performance by providing insights into network traffic and security threats. This is the literature survey. So you can see the literature survey.
Yes, it is visible.
So this is the literature survey we have done from a Asadi. We have done this literature survey. Literature survey is all about packet sniffing data analytics and
We
is
are
a topic of
looking to
interest for
check
researchers
our
and practitioners
uploaded rental
for the
space
year.
as a client
The
or
increasing
concerned
amount of data
person.
generated by various
We are
networking
thinking to
devices
check
such as
in the
routers,
website
switches,
how it's
firewalls
going to
has
reach
resulted in
out
a
and
high
how
demand
it
for
is appearing
sophisticated
in the
tools,
website.
networks
But
for
we are
analyzing
not
and
getting our
interpreting this
space
data.
in your website
NLTK have been
questions.
identified as promising
In
approaches
first
for
page or
solving
second page
challenges.
or third page
This
also.
literature survey highlights
We are
some of the
mentioning
key
the rental space
research
amount
studies that have been
7.62
conducted
lakhs and Tower Hills office rental
packet
space
sniffing
details we
data
are
analytics
entering
using
and
ML
we
and
are
DL.
checking as
One
a
of the
concerned
earliest
person or
studies on
client
this topic was
how
conducted
it
by
is uploaded and how it
ML
is
in
getting reach outs.
2008.
But we are
Who proposed ML
not
during
seeing our
this
rental space
topic for
details in your
network
website. Why
intrusion
it is?
detection.
Is
The
there
audience
any way to reach out?
classify network traffic and detection intrusion. It showed that the SVM-based approach was effective in detecting intrusion with accuracy rate of 95.3. This is some
Yeah, no, not like that. In your website only.
which proves that deep learning
Now using can a client or concerned person. I need to check the Marriott website for rental space, any rental spaces.
network traffic and detect intrusion.
And I approached the app to check the details. But in that app, we are not getting our uploaded rental space details.
Study by Shetty et
We
al.
have paid the premium amount also. As a
2017
consultant
uses
and
a
client,
human-based
we are
approach for intrusion
planning
detection
to check
in
how the
one
reports
ad-hoc
are
network
going on
like
and in
Pandas.
that website how our
Conditional statements
rental
and
space details are uploaded and
neural
how we
networks,
getting the reach out. We are
LLMs,
planning to check
SciPy,
that. But we are not seeing our rental
network
space
and
details
detect
in your
intrusion.
website. In
Another
second page
study
or
by
third page or else
PEL
we are mentioning the amount
by
of rental space also
2018 proposed
7.60. We need
real-based
7
approach
to
for network
10 lakhs of rental
monopoly.
space details. We are
Used to
mentioning like that and we are checking, but
auto
our rental space
real
details
model
are
to
not
classify
appearing in
network
your
traffic and data
website.
anomalies. In this, the
How
real
can we
network
reach
was
our
effective in
clients?
detecting
Whether it
anomalies
is
hierarchy set of 1960. So as we can see, in this, in the year of 2008, ad was increased to 95.1%. In 2015, it went to 89.2. In 2018, went to 96.6 because it's used for wireless networks also. In that way, we 6% of accuracy rate. And
yes,
conclusion for this literature survey, I would like to conclude that
yes, yes,
these
yes,
are
yes.
highlighted advantages in analytics using ML. It has shown promising results in various domains such as intrusion detection and anomaly detection and mobile ad-hoc networks. However, further
Yes, sir.
research
You
is
do
needed
one
to
thing,
explore
sir.
the
As a
scalability,
consult or client person, you can
techniques, and real-time
go through the app
This is
and
the
search
evidence for
like
the Numpy
I need rental
in
space
today's
in below 7.62 lakhs to or 10 lakhs we need rental
like
space. You can search like
working
that. Whether check you will get our website details or not, our
was
rental
running
space details or not. Once check
according
it,
to
you can.
him and his team. He published an article for a new implementation of packets used and was
You are not seeing our rental space details in your website also.
several
How can
opportunities
clients
concerning
get
the
our
exposition,
details whether it is not
but also
appearing,
detect several challenges regarding their production.
showing or not?
Today's detection network logs are considered as a immensely rich of information and
Just guide me, how to check.
the cybersecurity defenses by providing more effective cybersecurity procedures. Cybersecurity product is the ability to identify information illegally obtained
Yes, that one.
which coordinated vendors. For this, the relevant have to. This is an input data set that we have done. First one will be of packet sniffing data collection. The first step in implementing packet sniffing data analytics using ML and DL is to collect the raw data from various sources such as network devices, routers, switches, etc.
Yes,
The data collected should include
as
Details
is
such
there,
as
sir.
source and
My
destination IP addresses,
thought
packet
is
size,
that
protocol,
we
timestamp,
have
etc.
uploaded the details in
Pre-processing
your
the data.
website
Once the
now.
data has been collected, it
I'm
needs to be
checking for
pre-processed to remove
confirmation
any
whether it is done or not,
information,
it is
errors, or
reaching the candidates or
inconsistencies
not.
in the data.
Just
The
I'm checking
pre-processing
like
stage also
whether
involves
just think
converting the data
I'm a
into a
client or a
format that is
concerned person.
suitable for analysis and
I'm just
modeling.
going through the
Explorating
Magic
data
Bits
analysis.
app
This process data
and I'm
is
checking whether
analyzed to
our
identify any
website,
patterns, trends, or
whether the details are
relationships
showing in
between
the
different
website or not.
variables. This stage
As
also
a customer,
involves
I'm
identifying
just
any
checking for the
outliers or
verification,
anomalies in
but
the
I'm
data
not
which may
getting our
indicate
details
potential
in
security
that
threats.
in
And the
your Magic Bits website.
feature engineering. In this stage, the relevant variables are selected for further analysis and modeling. This process for selecting the relevant variables is called feature engineering. Next step includes model development. The next step is to develop the machine learning and deep learning models that will be used to analyze the packet snipping data.
Yes,
A
yes,
range
we
of
are
models such as
mentioning
decision
locality
trees,
and
funnels,
rental space amount
random
also.
forests, neural networks, etc. can be used to identify potential security threats. Model validation develop. Once the models have been developed,
Okay, tell
they
me
need
the
to have a validated to ensure that
okay,
they are
commercial not.
to
Tell me
ensure
the
that
detail
they
what I
are
need to mention and
accurately
check.
predicting the potential security threats. The validation process also involves comparing the predictions
Yeah.
made by the models to actual results and adjusting the models accordingly.
Yes.
Deployment of models. After the models have been validated, they can be deployed in any production environment. The models will be used to analyze the packet snipping data in real time to detect any potential security
It's
threats.
Hamming laptop. Just let me know.
And the existing system. The existing system of implementation of packet snipping data analytics using ML and DL involves the following steps. Data collection. The first step is to collect the data. Tools are used to capture the network traffic and extract the relevant information such as source and destination IP addresses, ports, protocols, and payloads. Processing. The collected data is then pre-processed to remove any irrelevant information and convert it to a format that can be used by the ML and DL
Yes, I have
algorithms.
opened now. I need to log
Involve
in
converting
now.
the raw data into a numerical format, removing duplicates and normalizing.
Yes.
Feature extraction, as we go know before that we'll have some pre-processed data and we'll be doing that and we'll be identify the different types of network traffic. Model training will be of model, like we should have a complete model on how we should do all that stuff. Model deployment. Once the model has been trained and validated, they can be deployed in the network to perform packet snipping data analytics in real time. Others such as firewalls, engineering systems, and SIEM systems, like SIEM stands for Secure Information and Event Management. The result analysis will be of this way. The results generated by the deployed models are analyzed to identify any anomalies or security threats in the network. This information can then be used to take appropriate actions such as blocking malicious traffic, raising alerts, or triggering automatic responses. Overall, the existing system of implementation of packet snipping data analytics using ML and DL enables organizations to monitor their network traffic in real time, identify security threats, and respond promptly to any potential incidents. Drawbacks of the current existing system. First one will be of lack of integration with networking devices. Most of the current packet snipping data analytics systems are not integrated with network devices. Such as a result, there is a lack of real-time analysis and response to potential security threats. Complex data structures. Packet snipping data analytics systems are typically based on complex data structures and algorithms, making them difficult for most users and understand and use effectively. Cost and resource incentive, like implementing and using packet snipping data analytics systems can be expensive and resource intensive, making it difficult for smaller organizations to adopt these technologies. Limited scalability. Many existing packet snipping data analytics systems are not designed to scale well, making it difficult to monitor and analyze large amounts of network traffic. Privacy concerns. Packet snipping data analytics systems can collect and analyze sensitive personal data, which raises privacy concerns for users and organizations. False positive and negatives. Packet snipping data analytics systems are not always accurate and can also generate false positives or negatives, which can lead to security incidents and misinformed security decisions. Dependence on experts. Most packet snipping data analytics systems require specialized knowledge and expertise to operate and interpret the data, making it difficult for organizations without these resources to effectively implement and use these systems. The proposed system for packet snipping data analytics using ML and DL has been divided into the following steps. like the data collection. First ability of data that we need to have from various organizations like routers, switches, etc. And the data will also be collected from a network parameters such as IP addresses, port numbers, protocols, packet sizes, and timestamps. Data processing. The collected data will be pre-processed to remove irrelevant information, handling missing values, and clean the data to ensure it's ready for analysis. Feature extraction. The pre-processed data will be transformed into features that can be used to train the ML and DL models. This involves selecting the relevant features and transforming the data into a suitable format for analysis. And model selection. The next step is to select the appropriate ML and DL models that can be used to analyze the data. This will depend on the type of data and the complexity of the data and the goals of the analysis. Model training. The selected ML and DL models will be trained on the data using algorithms such as supervised and unsupervised learning. Model evaluation. These models will be evaluated based on their accuracy, precision, and recall. These models will be fine-tuned if necessary to improve their performance. Packet sniffing, data analytics. Once the models have been trained and evaluated, they can be used to perform packet sniffing data analysis. The models will be used to identify patterns, classify patterns, and make predictions about network behavior. Data visualization. The results of the analysis will be visualized using appropriate data visualization techniques. This will also help to make the results more accessible and understandable to stakeholders. System deployment. The system will be deployed into the network environment to continuously monitor and analyze the network traffic. The system will generate reports and alerts based on the results of the analysis. The proposed system will be designed to be scalable and flexible, making it possible to accommodate changes in the network environment and to adapt to the new trends in the network behavior. And the advantages of the proposed system are real-time data analysis. The proposed system will be providing a real-time data analysis which will help organizations to quickly identify and mitigate any potential security threats. Improve efficiency. The use of ML and DL algorithms in the system will improve the efficiency and accuracy of packet sniffing, making it easier for organizations to detect and respond to potential security threats. Improve threat detection. By incorporating machine learning and deep learning algorithms, the system will be able to detect potential security threats that traditional packet sniffing tools might miss. Scalability. The proposed system will be scalable and adaptable, allowing organizations to expand its capabilities as their needs change and grow. User-friendly interface. The proposed system will have a user-friendly interface that will make it easy for organizations to use and understand the data generated by the system. Cost effective. It's effective than the before system. It's effective than the existing system that we have. The proposed system will be of cost effective as organizations can no longer have to invest in multiple tools and secure the network. Better decision making. The proposed system will provide organizations with valuable data that will keep them informed about making decisions about the network security and how to mitigate potential security threats. This is the proposed architecture of implementation of packet sniffing data using ML and DL. Like your network will be having packets. For instance, if you go to the kernel level, we will be having network tab. We will be converting them into the AF packet and NCAP, and they both will form a packet protocol. And to the user level, they will be going into a packet sniffing library, and that to the user application, which will be making the user to use the application very safe way, like without any data breaches and all that. These are the tools that we used in making the success of packet sniffing and data analytics using ML and DL techniques. The tools were Wireshark, TCDump, Smart, and Microsoft Network Monitor. For machine learning, we use TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and H2O.ai. Data analytics will be of Pandas, Numpy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Deep learning frameworks will be of Keras, and MXNet. Cloud platforms were AWS, GCP, and Microsoft Azure. Visualization tools, Tables, Numpy, and Power BI. Data storage solutions like Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, and MongoDB. Artificial intelligence platforms like IBM Watson, Google Cloud AI, and Microsoft AI platform. Data mining tools, RapidMiner, Orange, and Mini. Programming languages will be of Python, R, and Java for data analysis and machine learning tasks. These are the techniques that we used. It's a brief about the techniques that we used for a proposed system. Pre-processing of data. The first step in implementing packet sniffing data analytics is to pre-process the data that has been collected through a packet sniffer. This involves cleaning in data, removing any element or duplicate information and converting it to the format that can be easily analyzed using ML and DL algorithms. Feature extraction. The step is extract the features from the pre-processed data. This involves identifying the characteristics of the data that are most important for the analysis, such as source and destination IP addresses, protocol types, and payload sizes. Model selection. Once the data has been pre-processed and the ML features has been extracted, the next step is to select the appropriate ML and DL algorithm to use for the analysis. The decision will depend on the nature of the data and type of insights that are required. Model training. Once the training algorithms have been selected, it needs to be trained on the pre-processed data, which involves feeding the data into the algorithm and allowing it to then learn patterns and relationships between the data points. Model evaluation. After the model has been trained, it needs to be evaluated to ensure that it is working as expected. This can be done by comparing the results of analysis to actual network data or by using evaluation metrics such as accuracy and precision. Model deployment. Once the model has been trained and evaluated, it can be deployed in the production environment to start analyzing real-time network data. This will involve integrating the model with packet sniffer and configuring it to send data to the model for analysis. Results interpretation. The final step is to interpret the results of the analysis and extract insights that can be used to improve network performance and security. This may involve visualizing the results, creating reports, or developing recommendations based on the data. Implementation. These are the few steps that we follow for implementing packet sniffing data analytics using ML and DL algorithms. The first one will be of data capture. The data capture is the first step to capture the data packets that are transmitted over the network. This can be done using a packet sniffing tool such as Wireshark or TCP dump. The data packet can then be saved in a raw data format for further analysis. Data pre-processing. In this step, the raw data is cleaned and transformed into a format that can be used for analysis. This may involve converting the data into a more readable format, removing duplicate data, transforming the data into a tabular format. Feature extraction. The next step is to extract relevant features from the data that can be used to input to the ML and DL algorithm. This may include features such as source and destination IP addresses, the type of protocol used, or the size of data packets. The model training. The extracted features are then used to train the ML and DL algorithms. This may involve using supervised learning algorithms such as decision trees, random forests, and neural networks. The algorithms are trained on the data to learn patterns and relationships between the feature and the target variables. Model deployment. Once the ML and DL algorithms have been trained, then can be deployed on network to analyze the data packets in time. The algorithm can be used to classify the data packets into different categories based on their content or detect anomalies in data packets. This is the data visualization. The final step is to visualize the results of the result analysis to present insights and trends in a very meaningful way. This may involve using tools such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, and JVU to create visualizations such as bar charts, line graphs, or heat maps. Overall, the implementation of packet sniffing data analytics using ML and DL involves capturing, pre-processing, and analyzing data networks to extract meaningful insights and improve network security. The results will be the results of implementing packet sniffing data analytics using ML and DL can vary based on the specific use case and the quality of data of algorithms used. However, some general outcomes that can be expected are improved network security. Actually, I need to highlight it, but I'm sorry, I'll do it afterwards. Improved network security. Packet sniffing data analytics can help detect malicious activities such as hacking attempts, malware infections, and other security threats. By using ML and DL algorithms, it can analyze vast amounts of network traffic in real time and provide early warnings of potential security incidents. Enhanced network performance. Packet sniffing data analytics can also help improve network performance by analyzing network traffic patterns, identifying bottlenecks, and providing insights into network congestion and other performance issues. Increased visibility into network traffic. By packet sniffing data analytics, network administrators can gain a deeper understanding of the traffic flow and behavior on their networks, helping them make informed decisions on capacity planning, traffic management, and network optimization. Better use of network resources. By identifying the applications and protocols that consume the most network resources, packet sniffing data analytics can help Organizations make more efficient use of their network resources, reducing costs and improving network performance. Overall, the implementation of packet sniffing data analytics using ML and DL has the potential to bring significant benefits to organizations, improving network security performance and real resource utilization. Conclusion. Actually, I left this place blank out after doing the implementation. I'll place a screenshot of that over here. So, coming to conclusion, the implementation of packet sniffing data analytics using machine learning and deep learning can provide valuable insights into network traffic and can help identify potential security threats. By using this techniques, organizations can analyze large amounts of network traffic data in real time and can gain a better understanding of behavior of their network. ML algorithms such as static models and support behavior in such a way that
ఇది మెయిల్ పెట్టడం చెప్పు
in such a way that
you will tell
the data has been shared in a very particular way. By using this techniques, organizations can analyze large amounts of network traffic data in real time to gain a better understanding of the behavior of their network. ML algorithms such as decision trees, random forest, and support vector machines can be used to classify network traffic into normal or abnormal behavior. These algorithms can also be used to detect anomalies and outliers in the network traffic. Real algorithms such as conventional neural networks like CNN, RNN can also be used to analyze network traffic. CNN can be used to classify network traffic into different categories, while RNNs can be used to analyze sequential data in network models such as packets. In conclusion, I would like to conclude that the implementation of packet sniffing data analytics using ML and DL can provide organizations with valuable insight into their network traffic and can help to detect the potential security threats. However, it is important to note that these techniques should be based in conjunction with other security measures to provide a comprehensive security solution. These are the references that we got from Keras, Martin, Zaki, Amin, and Lee, Gao, DJ, Amin.
Okay. Manvita, you need to collect the data set through the internet or and one more thing, you need to add proposed architecture. You can search in the Google proposed
I've added
architecture.
I'll show you.
Proposed architecture is the diagram.
recording
Can you see my screenshots?
Yes. And this is okay. And input data set screenshot also. Pravalika, how she kept it, same way you can kept that. Yeah.
Yes,
remaining everything you can include, and screenshots are pending. That we will do it. Yeah. So you can include this PPT and send to my WhatsApp. Today I will I will modify and I will send to the group.
Yes, sir. I have already shared.
No, you send me. I want to do some modifications in your PPT. Some unnecessary sentences are there. I will remove it. Okay. So input data set you can keep it and send to my WhatsApp.
Okay.
I will refine it and I will send to you. Then it will be good for everyone. I will explain how to do it. Modifications. So that's all from today. Yeah, thank you, Manvita. You have explained wonderful. And Veena, we will see the implementation part. I have sent already the SVM, and Pravalika sent CNN. You take that code and give your data set. Sniffing, packet sniffing data. You can search, download from the internet. Packet sniffing data. Data set you will get in Excel format or CSV file format. If you download that path, if you use, it is going to classify the data. Okay, that work you have to do. The remaining batches. So far, only 3 batches they have explained their projects. So one batch is Pravalika batch, Ayan Palkar, and Manvita batch. So still 8 more batches are there. Total 11 batches. So I am expecting from you. Yeah. Who's that?
I am Srinivasulu.
Yeah. Please tell me.
So I want send one CSV file to your WhatsApp, sir. Is it
Okay, very good. I will check it. I will check it and I'll let you know. Once again, you forward that message and data set. I will check it and we will apply on SVM and CNN. Don't worry. Okay. Very good, Sushmita. Very good attempt for implementation. If you keep on trying, definitely you will get a very good job because of your project and the knowledge of 12 subjects. I don't think so. They know 12 modules. It's very good. You got my training schedule is 12 modules I am going to cover. You have seen, and I am going to send you this updated PPT to you so that you will get very good knowledge in these subjects. So that's all from my side, and tomorrow we'll meet with another subject. Remaining project implementations. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
so can we leave the meeting?
క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది కదా
ఒక 10 minutes వరకు ఉంది.